This is contact and management, majorly for contact form. Remember, I told you earlier, you have three methods your user can reach out to you. The first one, which is the most obvious, is contacting you through this, your email. The second one I've talked about that is a messenger, direct messenger through your profile. Then the third one, everybody knows about this, which is very convenient for most people, is the contact form. Alright, and when you are signed in, whether the user is signing or not, if the user is not signing, they will send you email um, using their normal email, without no reference to any user account. But as you can see, because I'm logged in, it's locked to this. You can't change either of these two, except you're logged out. You can now put your own email. So that's this is coming from the account. That is beauty of this. So you will actually know who is your user or not. So I want to check. You can change this subject inquiry. That's default. Type your text. Add 5 at most images. Only images. No other files. Maybe screenshot or complaint or whatever. And click send. Now, only the admin gets to get anything coming from here. I'll show you in a bit. Contact form. So under mails, this is where you have it. Under mails, you have the contact form. So we already have two inquiry from this. Alright, okay, let me use the other account. Maybe I'm gonna bring it in here. I'm gonna use this. Alright, yeah, I'm running localhost, as you can see that. Alright, contact form. Yeah, maybe Mary wants to ask about bug. Remember that bug? A bug on reply. Yes. Check out the reply on comments is returning same user for the comments instead of the actual user for the reply. So it's trying to complain about the bug. As we have with screenshots, let me just pick anything here as a screenshot. Let's just say this is a screenshot. Maybe this one is a screenshot. Just add a screenshot, 5 maximum. So it's for convenience sake. So this is only for the author. The author can receive this mail. Okay. So once it's sent, it will tell you sent. Okay. And mind you, this is actually sending to your real email. You also get it inbox. Yeah, it's actually delivered to the mail configured, so you can get it in your mail client. Do you understand? Or you come here. This is what I mean. Yeah. Maybe you don't want to open your mail client on your phone. You can use also your web, but the only thing is you cannot edit anything here, but you're allowed to download the images. Now if you wish to, if you so wish, you can actually. Is there any download? I don't think so. Okay. So you go to your mail, no, there's an email, You answer that. Original file name, this is the original file name. Original file name and all that. Okay. You can actually just view. This is only for viewing. Yeah, this is only for viewing. The main permission for downloads is only for viewing. Okay, just to control the amount. Maybe you want to delete it, you can delete it, but it's already sent to your email address. This is sender, sent to your configured email and all that. So that's the importance of this. And if you look at this contact page, there's a navigation, very powerful one. Yeah, suitable for the user. Scroll, whatever. So when you sign out, even people that are not doesn't have an account can use the contact. It's like a feedback form. Very convenient. All right. So we are almost getting to the end of the demo tutorial. We have 3 more. I hope you stay to the end. Next is newsletter subscription. See you then.